Everyone knows about remote jobs like customer service or data entry. But today, I'm giving you 10 hidden remote jobs that pay up to $120,000 a year. And you don't need a degree for any of them. I've spent the last 3 years helping people land high-paying remote jobs, and these are the ones almost no one is talking about. I'm going to give you the exact pay ranges, what makes these jobs so lucrative, and free resources to get started immediately. UX researcher. Companies will pay you up to $120,000 just to understand how people think and feel when they use their websites or apps. You're basically a digital detective. To get started, go to Coursera right now and find free UX research courses. Build a portfolio by reviewing popular apps, and you can start applying in months. SEO specialist. This is the magic that gets websites to the #1 spot on Google. Every business wants to be on the first page, and they'll pay up to $100,000 to make it happen. Google's Skillshop offers completely free courses that teach you how their search engine works. Start there, then help a local business for free to build your portfolio. Remote closer. Forget door-to-door sales. You get on Zoom calls and close deals for high-value products like coaching programs or software. Top closers easily make over $120,000 from their home office. YouTube has thousands of hours of free content teaching proven sales scripts and closing strategies from the best in the business. If you're a good communicator, this could be your path to 6 figures. Technical writer. Every new software or gadget needs instruction manuals and help guides. Companies pay up to $110,000 for someone who can translate complex tech into simple, easy-to-understand language. Check out Write the Docs for free resources. Build a portfolio by creating user guides for popular apps, proving you can make the complex simple. Community manager. Are you always online in Discord servers or browsing Reddit? Get paid up to $90,000 to do just that. You build and manage online communities for brands. Join communities you're passionate about, see how they're run, and volunteer as a moderator. This hands-on experience is more valuable than any degree. Podcast producer. The podcasting world is exploding. Behind every great podcast is a producer handling audio editing, booking guests, writing show notes, and uploading to platforms like Spotify and Apple Podcasts. Audacity is completely free audio editing software with tons of tutorials. Practice with raw audio files or start your own mini podcast to build skills. Email marketing specialist. Despite social media hype, email is still the king of marketing. For every dollar spent on email marketing, companies get an average return of over $40. They'll pay up to $100,000 for someone who can do this effectively. HubSpot Academy offers a comprehensive and completely free email marketing certification that's highly respected in the industry. Take that course and build sample campaigns for your portfolio. Social media manager. Every brand needs a social media presence. You're behind the curtain creating posts, writing captions, running ads, and engaging with followers across Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook. Hootsuite Academy offers free courses teaching everything from strategy to analytics, giving you the knowledge to manage accounts professionally. Online course creator. Do you have a skill others want to learn? Create a digital course once and sell it repeatedly to thousands worldwide. Successful creators easily make over $120,000. Some make millions. Platforms like Teachable, Kajabi, and Udemy handle all the technical stuff. Learn course creation strategies for free on YouTube from successful creators who share their exact methods. Cybersecurity analyst. In a world where everything is online, you're the digital bodyguard protecting organizations from hackers and cyber threats. Massive shortage of qualified professionals means salaries up to $120,000 or more. Start learning fundamentals for free on Cybrary, which offers courses on network security and ethical hacking. Certifications matter more than degrees in this industry. These jobs are exploding right now. If you wait, you'll be competing with thousands more applicants. I've linked free resources for every single job in the description below. Your new life is waiting. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. If you found this helpful and want more ways to build wealth and freedom from anywhere in the world, make sure you destroy that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Check out my next video right here, where I break down 5 side hustles that can make you $100 a day. Thanks for watching.